here's the first thing to note. I am not an expert on this shit by any stretch of the imagination, okay? Our resident expert is a IP lawyer who's based in Sydney. Her name is Kate Sun, and she is much, much smarter than me. So I will defer to her, okay? So that's how to find Kate, at Kate Sun, and that's Kate just there, okay? Kate, by the way, is coming to the AOE conference in March, and Kate, by the way, is doing a big presentation all about how to get trademarks and protect your assets for your business. So I believe that presentation alone will save you much more money in legal fees than the actual cost of the attending the conference, because it's like thousands of dollars to get all the shit organized if you go for a lawyer. But if you listen to Kate, she'll save you a shitload of money. So I think it's crazy not to come and listen to that. However, here's what we know about getting some brand marks. So it's very, very important, and we know it's very, very important because Amazon has now set up its own little service to enable people to get their brands and get their trademarks much faster. So you could go and join this accelerator, and that would help. They'll help you get your brand, and they'll actually give you access to lots of resources and tools. So that's a cool thing you can do. Right now, I'm all over the place this morning. My alcohol consumption yesterday has inhibited my brain somewhat. Right now, what I see happening is kind of friggin' odd, because like I just spoke to a mate of mine on Thursday or Friday who's in the UK, and he got brand registered in the USA with a UK trademark. So his business is registered in the UK, and I can't remember the category he got the brand registry in. I'll ask him and let you know. But anyway, so he was in the UK, his business in the UK, he was selling in America, his trademark was registered in the UK, and he got brand registry in America. So is that. But I've also seen some people with American patents try and get brand registered in Australia and get knocked back. So it's kind of weird. I don't really know what's going on with Amazon with regards to that. They seem to be all over the place for some bloody reason. So I'm not quite sure. However, I think there is a very, very good argument to be made to get your shit together and get a trademark. It is utterly clear that Amazon is going balls in on brand registry, and it's utterly clear that by not having a trademark, you are putting yourself at a huge disadvantage to sell on Amazon. So get a trademark, get it started, start the process. I can't stress enough how clear it is that Amazon is moving that way, and the way that you know it for sure is they're making it so you get so many additional tools in brand registry, and you get such a big help in brand registry that it's clear that they're really pushing for it. So anyway, enough of that. What does it cost? How much is it? Blah, 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 blah. So this is where you go for Australia. IP Australia, they're really, really good. It's 895 Aussie dollars to get your trademark. The process is pretty simple. You want to do a trademark search. You can do it right from here. Look, search trademarks. Says right here, look, search your trademarks. You can do it right from here to make sure you're not trying to register something that's already been registered. Set yourself up, pay your fee, and then wait. And it is 6 to 9 months in Australia to get your trademark to come through. 6 to 9 months, which sucks, but that's what it is. Whereas in the UK, it's actually 3 months. So, yeah. Anyway, and in the USA, it is the USPTO. United States Patent and Trademark Office. That's it just here. And it is, depending on what you're going to get and which category of mark you get, it's anywhere from $225 to $400, something like that. But as I said, if you come to the conference, you'll get to see Kate. Kate's doing a big prezzo all about this. I'm really looking forward to that. I'm personally really looking forward to that, because it's abundantly clear how important it is to have that set up now. It's just nuts. So anyway, and I think that will save a shitload of money for folks as well. Hope that helps, Henry. Neil, it's only $250 for trademark in Australia. Could you send the link for that, please, Tony? I'd love to see that. And you can trademark your brand or your logo, whichever you want to do. Either is fine to trademark, but you want to go check. You know, it depends on what your strategy is going to be. All right, lots of people telling me I'm an idiot. And here's the trademark costs, all right? So let's just go through those, because clearly, as I've said already, I am not the bastion of this information. Here we go. Trademarks. Trademark, applying for a trademark, $250 per class. Here you go, with pick list. So Tony got his for $250. Thank you for that, Tony. And I'm going to put these links in the chat for you. Send to all. And also, here's a calculator that enables you to, oops, calculator, don't delete that little piece there, Asher. Trademark price calculator, send to all. There you go. Tony did it himself. There you go, fantastic. Tony, thank you for that, sir. Oh, there you go. Look. Registration costs, renewal costs, blah, 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 blah. All right. Thanks for that, Tony. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.